I did it. Oh my god. My eye is getting watery. Ugh. Can I do it a little bit on the... My face is already moisturized, so I'm going to start with my brow, and for that I'll be using a brow pencil, and I'll be starting with the evil one. I don't even know how to hold this pencil. Okay, I'll be starting from the tail of my brow. A powder will be much easier, but I need to have something waxy to hide my scar there. Powder cannot do that, so it is getting a bit difficult for me because the pressure isn't even. God. Like, I'm having such a difficult time to hold it properly. Okay, not that bad. I can work with that. Now this brow is going to be a bit easier. This is pretty much done. Now I am going to go with a brow powder, and this is the Mars 4 Colors eyebrow powder. So I'll be taking this charcoal grey shade and I'll be mixing with the brown. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? Oh my god. I messed it up so bad. I have a big block of color here. I so want to use my right hand, you guys. It is already taking so long. I know it's a bit boxy and dark, but leave it there, and now let's move on with the primer. This is that. Now we will move on with the base, and I think it is going to be comparatively easy, so that's why I'll quickly do that. Okay, now we will move on with the powder, and for that I'm using a translucent powder. I think I have a ton inside my eyes, but thankfully this powder is good and it is not irritating as much. Oh! Yeah, I knew I'm going to poke myself in the eye. So I started with a big ass brush. Now I am going to put a bit of blush. So the base is relatively easier, but I am especially scared about the eyes. Let's just see what happens there. Okay, this is done. Now I am going to go with highlighter. So I'm gonna take, how do I show it to you? Oh, why did I put it here? So the face is done and it's glowing like a disco ball. I am going to stop here. I will not do contouring and bronzing because contouring is about perfection and I clearly don't have that today. So I will not even touch that and we will move on to the eyes. Okay, so let's just get into this. I'm taking a fluffy crease brush. From the Beauty Glazed palette, I am going to go with this pretty red pink shade. Okay, so this is the part that I'm scared of. It needs a good soft blending and I literally have no control over my left hand. So I will try to make it look as good as possible. Oh my god, it is so slow. Okay, I'm just going to finish this look with one shade. I'm going to be super messy because this is the only shade that I'll be working with. I think, yeah, this is very easy. It's like I'm painting my eyes, but it looks weird. I don't know why I don't do single color eyeshadows. It is looking so beautiful. I am surprised. I need a bit of blend in the corner and it is like so difficult to do it like that. So the lid is done. I'll be doing the same for my lash line and for that I'm taking a smaller brush like that. Oh my god, I so don't want to poke myself. Oh, so scared. I'm sure if I do it like that, I'll poke myself 100%. So I'm going to hold it like that. I know it's a bit weird, but it is helping me a lot. I don't know, for some reason it's very difficult in this eye. Okay, whatever it is, it's done. Now I am going to put this rose gold glitter. Yeah, I'll keep it till here. Now I am going to go with a kajal because it is looking a bit off. Yeah, my go-to half liner. Can I do it a little bit on the... Oh my god. Nah, I can't do it. So I'm going to stop here. Now I'll apply falsies with my left hand. I cannot even do it properly with my right hand. Okay, I'll just put it just like that. And I don't know how to put it. I think I'm gonna start with the end. And I'll... Nah, not happening with my left hand, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm not that pro yet, so I think starting with the end is a bit easier. It is in. after a decade it's in. Now the last step is of a lipstick, so I'm gonna apply that real quick, and for that I'm using a lip pencil. Okay, surprisingly the lip liner went really easy. It's done. Now I am going to make myself a little presentable and I'll be right back. So this is the final look and I am in love with this look. It is looking sweet and pretty and bubbly and oh my god, it's looking cute. And I will definitely include glitter from the next time in my look. So that is it. If you like it, do not forget to hit that like button. If you like this face and want to see more from me, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that little notification bell so that you never miss any update. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing. Bye bye.